Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience. And any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to talk about VeChain again today and the new NFT based metaverse game Exo Worlds, which is being launched on their platform, which looks quite interesting. Before I get to the article that I'm going to go through, I'll look at the cryptocurrency market as a whole to see how we're looking. Market cap still above $1 trillion, so that's holding, looking quite good. I've got a 24-hour trading volume of $46.2 billion. Bitcoin dominance is down slightly, I believe, to 42.5%. Currently sitting, we've broken through the $23,000 mark, so we're up 0.28% on the day, but holding above that $23,000 range is a good sign. Looks fairly flat across the top 10, no major movers. Solana is getting close to breaking back into that top 10, so that's doing quite well. Over the last 24 hours, DYDX, that's the biggest mover, up 26%. I've got to be honest, I've not heard of that. I'm not invested in it. Looking through these, Phantom, I'm invested in that. Basic Attention Token, I've got a few of those. Not major holdings. Engine continues to do quite well, but on the whole, no major movers. So moving on to the VeChain page. We're looking at a price of 0.022, so it's down slightly, it's down 1.46%. I don't mind pullbacks in the market for my long-term holds because it gives me an opportunity to scoop up some more better prices. Excuse me. We've got a market cap of just shy of $1.7 billion, fully diluted market cap of 1.98, nearly $2 trillion, and we've got a circulating supply of 72.5 billion VeChain. As for the charts, I can say we had a little pullback, as we just mentioned. Sentiment wise, have we got anything interesting? Predominantly bullish, same as yesterday, not too much, a bit of shilling and that, but predominantly people are bullish on the project. If we go onto the charts to see how we're looking at this trend line that I mentioned just how that's playing out, we closed above it yesterday. It was like a doji almost, yeah, it's like slightly dragonfly doji there. We're still above the 50 and 100. The MACD line and the signal line have started to cross. The momentum has switched to negative, but I'd like to think we could push up, this hammer could push up and close above the trend line and keep working our way up towards this 0.026 region. Nothing to be too concerned about. I don't mind a pullback. You can see we've pulled back. If we go drop down to a lower time frame, you can see we've had the pullback, but we're covering and working our way back up towards that trend line, so nothing of any real concern there. It's still looking quite decent, to be honest with you. Things don't move up in straight lines, so a few sort of red days don't really bother me. Anyway, moving on to the article. Oh, sorry, I'll show you the game first. This is Exo Worlds, so I'm not sure if it's launched yet. But Exo Worlds is a sci-fi NFT blockchain, but MMORPG built on the VeChain Thor blockchain. Evolve your civilization and join the stars in a galactic play-to-earn metaverse. Join the Galactic Senate, establish planetary alliances, joining factions, create superluminal trade routes, compete and challenge other planets, explore the verified galaxy. Exo Worlds are a collection of 10,000 unique and procedurally generated planet NFTs that give owners the right to participate in the next big metaverse blockchain game on VeChain Thor. I'll link that down below because I don't want to go through the whole thing, but it looks, the site looks quite clean. Very interesting. So I'm going to read through that later on myself, but you're welcome to look through it. I'll link it down below. So the article on Crypto News flashed, VeChain based NFT blockchain MMORPG launches white paper in $1 trillion market. VeChain backed gaming metaverse Exo Worlds has launched its white paper. The protocol aims to bolster the user experience in today's $1 trillion gaming world. There are different ways to measure the growth of a blockchain based network, be it layer 1 or layer 2 protocol, or even a gaming platform. One of these ways is the debut of a detailed white paper, a move that will capture the vision and action plan of the project as well as its roadmap to achieve its set goals. This is the stage that the VeChain play and earn gaming platform ExoWorlds has gotten to. ExoWorlds is an open world metaverse that permits creators to build, explore and conquer the verified galaxy. ExoWorld is building a formidable community of believers and it seeks to take the metaverse exploration to a whole new level. So there's a tweet there. I don't know if you want to follow ExoWorlds on Twitter if you're interested. I think I'll drop them a follow later on, but you can, there's their Twitter page there. Insight into the white paper. Per its description, the published white paper, ExoWorld is branded the next generation science fiction MMORPG built with Unreal Engine 5.1 and secured on the VeChain Thor blockchain. The platform prides itself in its push to build an open world experience that will be the first of its kind in the broader Web3 ecosystem. With a mix of incredible theme story, captivating graphics and trusted technology, ExoWorlds is set to make its mark on its target audience with a second-to-none user experience. The gaming platform will be powered by a total of 10,000 Planet NFT collections. Unlike other layered NFTs, ExoWorlds said its NFTs are procedurally generated in Blender using real-life texture data and rendered for months with various GPU rigs. According to the roadmap detailed in the white paper, the protocol started with the sales of the procedurally generated NFTs back in February 2022. Moving ahead, ExoWorld said it will focus on the launch of its metaverse prototype, a work that took about 7 months to create. The metaverse prototype is already tested, launched in blockchain Rio, the largest blockchain in Latin America, and was received with tremendous success. So it has been launched, the prototype, has been launched. While no data has been pegged for the release of the ecosystem token, ExoWorld plans to conduct the public sale of the token at a later time this year. The protocol said it designed the token with carefully designed tokenomics that will help fuel sustainability in its ecosystem. Users who gain access to the token will also be able to stake them as well as lock them to be rewarded with in-game assets. After their debut, ExoWorlds highlighted that the token will be launched in both centralized and decentralized exchanges. Pedigree of the founding team members. There is a general belief that the strength of the blockchain protocol can be determined by a deep recognition of the pedigree of the founding team members. For the published white paper, ExoWorlds, its founding team is led by Lucas Saint Laurent, a partner of VeChain Stats, a leading blockchain explorer on VeChain. Drawing on his mathematics background at Johns Hopkins University, Lucas is also the founder of Cryptographic Studio. The ExoWorld team also includes William Campbell, the Chief Operating Officer, and Ronnie Mueller, the Chief Marketing Officer, amongst others. With their collective experience, they are prepared to usher ExoWorlds into a published white paper. I'm not much of a gaming person, but I know the gaming market is a huge, million. I believe the article said $1 trillion market. So if they can make a success of this is only going to be good for VeChain. They've got links. I'll link this down below as well. They've got Discord, a Twitter, a Instagram, a Telegram. So this is very interesting to me. Going back to the charts, I'm not really, like I said, with projects like this that are utility based and have real world applications, price little pullbacks don't concern me. I take them as a positive thing. It leads me to believe that certain people are sleeping on a project, and that once all these things are fully rolled out, then price will pump exponentially. And then, as I've said numerous times before, I believe this is definitely a top 10 crypto in the future. They're doing too many good things in the real world for this not to succeed. Not financial advice, of course. It's just how I view the project myself as an investor. So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. So I'm going to wrap the video up there. Thanks for watching, and like I said at the beginning, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I post videos nearly every day, sometimes not the weekend, but I update on various projects and DeFi related protocols that I'm involved in. Drop a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you have, please leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I know I've got some comments to get back to, which I will probably do tonight because I've got the kids off school because the teachers in the United Kingdom are on strike today, so I'm a bit pushed for time today. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.